Yo, who that man?
Yeah, I want that man.
John, you put so stink star. How look on the house? Who me a go kill me? How me a talk about?
Hype! We better than. We better than. We say we better than. The other hand. Alright then. Lights, camera, action, start it. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican talk it. We get a couple million now we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me da buy a house a car. Me the girls them honey, but that's a if I probably a when or if you get lucky. It really all depends on me and me crew. We better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me. We are them other man. Yes, we are them other man.
Away, away, away.
I would advise you not to go in there. It's dangerous. I barely survived when the coup scent arrived.
Where you come from?
The bush. I told you before, I tell you some more.
No, the man mean, how you get in here? I don't remember you at the party last night.
There's much you won't remember when you drink till mind is tender. Girls, no funds you surrender, legal tender.
You know that sound true? Cause I can remember one long time.
Alright. I don't want to hear no more of your flashback story them, because I know that I go already. Yo, Zimbo, where are you?
Well, from Grabsy say enough woman will be here. I had to appear. My wife tried to increase from year to year.
So you get none?
You get none?
Let's just say there are many pending and some pretending to be wife 1000 to get the food, shelter and housing. You will be chosen.
What's over there?
We better than.
Good afternoon, Miss Megs. I am just looking a little soft loan of a 1.5 million to buy a piece of property. I plan to do some farming on.
Well, as I said before, Mr. Campbell, I'm sorry, but 10,000 in your savings account and less than 5 in your checking will not give you a loan for $1.5 million. Do you have any assets we can use as collateral?
I said me I try set up myself, Miss Megs. And you know that's a lovely name. You seem like how your family proud of you. And so you need a man like me for pet and powder you. Look how you're nice.
First thing, it's Mrs. Megs. And without even half of that money in your account, Mr. Campbell, we cannot give you a loan. And if you have no assets, for example, a house in your name or a car, we can put up for collateral. There's no way we can even entertain the idea of a loan with you, sir.
But Miss Megs, if you lend me the money, we can buy house and car, and there you can get no cholesterol out of it.
It's collateral. Collateral.
Yes, that.
Mr. Campbell, do enjoy what is left of the rest of your day.
Yo, aye. It come like Wedderburn take up a permanent spot in your life. Everywhere you going, follow.
I know him a go pressure me. About him a landlord.
I don't like that term there, you know. Landlord. What you gonna do about it?
We can't do about it. Nothing. I done signed the 3-year lease already. But to tell the truth, I really like the place, you know. Yeah, I really feel like leaving, you know. Like it.
No, man, I touch road, you know.
Yo, hold on there. You can't carry me down on the car dealership before you cut.
When? No.
Yeah, no.
Star. The girl there wait for me, you know. Someone come cut the baby, you know.
Alright. Yo, you drop it off and carry it.
With what?
The car.
Which car?
Your car.
You can drive? You buy your license yet? You know what? You carry me. I'm not think I can stay too long.
You carry me.
Everybody have QR except for me. Just watch, man. So we'll get mine, man. So we'll get mine.
Man. Yo, we can choose one fast, man.
Yo, go on where you gonna my youth. Yo, alright. Don't want you mad, you know. Shall I sign my youth?
That's sweet you forget, you know. Fast.
That one, man.
Yo, I'm fool this boy. Yo.
How do you do, Benzly? Wait. Mr. Wedderburn, what brings you to this neck of the woods now, man?
Well, Melmar Consultants is my place of business. How about you?
They're my consultant too.
Oh,
Yeah, I just got a loan from them to buy a piece of property. I plan to do some farming and to do some exports overseas.
I don't think I want to be a part of this conversation.
Wait, Mr. Wedderburn, why forget this thing? Look, man, I export yam, pumpkins, and other grown provisions. I even plan to expand to sweet potatoes. So, Mr. Wedderburn, you have a good day. I have to meet up with my investor to let them know that our little venture is a go ahead.
Oh, my goodness, Grabson, man, I apologize. That sounds wonderful. So how does this investment thing goes? And do you have buyers overseas?
Yes, man, we have a fellow Jamaican there in the States that has a market for them. He even has his own shop in Brooklyn, New York. You want to keep up to the orders.
Oh, but I thought you were in the music business with Hype.
Yes, you know, the music business is mostly glitter, but this is what put food on the table. You know, I love music, you know, but I think I love farming even more. Yes. And you know what? To be paid for what you love so well is only the icing on the cake.
True.
Yes, and you know, say, I have a little new group which is the next Destiny's Child. All they need is a good sponsor like you. So, I'm sorry, Mr. Welliver, I cannot keep my investors waiting. I have to go.
Wait a minute. Tell me a little bit more about this this investment thing. You have contracts, I would assume. And how much do you get paid on your principal?
Excuse me there, Mr. Welliver. I have to take a call. Hello? Why you there with the car so long, man? Have me out here waiting on you. What? Okay. Right. Oh, the meeting is cancelled. All right. Tell them we can meet up tomorrow. Right. Look, I have to go up there anyway. So I'll take a cab. Good. All right. Bye-bye. Thank you. Sorry about that, Mr. Wedderburn. The meeting is cancelled until tomorrow. You see, the main guy, he and his wife having a little one. So, they have to run up to the hospital.
Oh, no problem. Well, that gives you more time to tell me more about this investment thing. And I hear you say you're taking a taxi. To where?
Yes, because it's lunchtime now, you know, and that was really a lunch meeting. So we can go and have lunch together and
Yes,
talk
we can have a
about
bite. Come, let me take you. Where to?
Let us go up to Beatrice. I'm in the mood for some of Beatrice food. I'm sorry,
Yes.
Mr. Welliver.
How about
I
we go
didn't
somewhere
remember.
else?
Yes. Oh, you know what I want to do? Just drop me up the road and let me put on a shirt over this to look appropriate, all right?
Okay, let's go.
Yes, Mr.
showroom. Thank you so much for coming in today. I'm sorry about the inconvenience, but as you saw walking in, we're doing some renovations to give you a better showroom and a better experience.
No problem, man. We're just gonna take a look around.
All right, well, I'm gonna be over here if you need me, all right?
Aye. SUV, the thing there, you know. Van say, you know.
Mad, man. You know, says that food home me a pre still. Yeah, cause sports thing me say, cause everybody have them car already. You see me I say? Plus this one bag of man thing. Loose. A bachelor style me say.
Everybody except me.
Yo. But you know some I love that one, yeah? This is the one. This.
That is the perfect car for you. For a young man like yourself, this will totally fit your image. And the best one we have in the showroom for you.
Exactly what I thought, boss.
Why don't you tell Una about calling me that?
Sorry, I understand.
What you know?
Ah, that's better. You guys look familiar. Innocent Kru
Yes,
and
man.
Benzly Hype.
Yes, thanks, bless.
I remember you from the last time you guys came a couple of years back and bought a vehicle from us. Where's that one now?
Oh, I left that one with moms, you know, because, you know, I want to get my own thing, you know, because as I always say, a car is a car, but a Benz is a Benz.
You know, I love that line. I'm gonna have to steal that. You know, I've been watching your career for over the couple of years, and I'm really proud to see what you guys are doing. Keep up the good work.
Yes,
You know what? Give them a 10%. All right?
Yeah.
Listen, we need to keep up the link. You know, you and I need to talk. All right?
Yeah, man.
You take care.
All right.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Hold on there. Mama call. Hello?
Hi, Junior. How are you doing?
Hello, Grandma.
I don't hear one single thing from you since you've taken off out of the house.
No, Mama. I'm sorry. Just a try breeze out and find myself, you know?
Well, I hope you have found yourself by now. You call your mother?
No, Mama.
Look here. Find your backside over there and talk to her. She is your mother despite everything, and she love you can't done.
Yeah, I know, Mama. Just can't take the argument. You know, I call her, I can't take it, man. You just a try find myself, you know?
Call her. Or go talk to her. She's not dealing with your moving out very well, you know. She's not eating.
All right, Mama, I'll do that. As soon as I finish doing what I'm doing here, I'll go talk to her.
Okay, grandson. Behave yourself and remember, I love you. And Junior, make sure I wear your bulletproof cap if you're going out the road, especially if you're bringing any little thing for me, because some of them gal out there is very treacherous, especially the young one them.
All right, Grandma, I love you too.
All right, dear, bye-bye.
Checkmate.
Mr. Talkative.
Ben's crew.
Tell them expect for live.
I don't know, speak on to them.
Yeah, she got business. Benzly, can them a just muggle mode.
Who you call that one, yeah? You don't know. This is a Mercedes TLS 350.
No, like. Look like it better than the last one we had that drive.
Tell you already, you know, only the best, you know. Yeah. It's a car, but Benz a Benz.
Yeah.
Alright, I know me have to let my footprint and do it properly, so me I say.
Yeah. Rotted. So what about me a fuck?
Don't worry about that, man. Don't worry about that. So Billa, where I say, where do you want to talk to me about?
Oh.
That real?
Yeah, man, promoter pay me money, don't pay me yesterday.
Tell me say, love Benz, swatch stone love in a one line of clash. Mad thing, wait till me tell the crew.
Bigger things to come. Just go sort out them dub plate the thing.
Okay.
1, 2 on the bus that I'm reading. Oh. Bus the bus. Remember it.
Yeah, man. For real, man. I want you, man.
Hi,
Hi, is this where I could get that new LaBen CD?
Yeah, man, right here.
Okay, let me hold 2 of them.
Two nice lovers rock mix there. Did them last Thursday night at Ben's party.
Okay, that's what's up.
They will like them. You will feel free to come on the corner, you know.
Yeah, I appreciate it, but actually we're not from here, we're from overseas, and we'll be heading back, so bye.
You hear that? Bye.
I know the girls, them love LaBenz, you know?
Yeah, man, them love the vibes, but nah lie. But Benzly, want your praise. You remember when time the crew just come out and I run during the park? Yo, we spread like wildfire. And for know that next week we play against Stone Love and Swash, every Benz artist have to get playing at the dance.
Yeah.
Them never know no, them are gonna know no now.
Zine.
Yeah, zine. You don't know what I mean. Them girls come from land and them just carry 2 LaBen CD gone up. And I hear a song them there on it.
Yeah, you know.
Just go sort out them dub there.
Yeah, man. Punch me a bit loud. Where is it? Yeah, man.
Bronx, Brooklyn, they turn it up, you know. Let me say, Manhattan, Staten Island, Mother Dan. Yo, Sea View Gardens.
I hope him choke. But he have a nerve if he come here for all of the foolishness we keep up with. You know, you're right. I hope grabs the game where I look for. I'm not sorry for him. I'm an idiot. Come.
Wait, this is how it works. You have some investors that has their own investors into the company. They get 10% profit on their principal. Now, each person they bring into the company, they get an additional 2.5%. And if they invest in the music part of it, they get 15% instead of 10. You know, music business, fickles.
But that sounds like a pyramid scheme, man.
Weddy, what you talking about? I don't deal in this scam artist thing, you know. You know what? It look like you're not serious. Make a pay this bill and
No. Hold on, man. What you guys say? Go easy, man. Bail back. I'm just saying, you got to be careful nowadays. So how much is it to start?
I suppose you're right, you know. That's why I keep this thing very private. I only invite people who I know and trust. Anyway, you can start with 100,000 and you can add to it whenever you want and still get the same percentage at the end.
So that sounds good. Let me get this straight. If I invest 100,000, I get $10,000 every month.
Exactly.
And the more people I get to join, the more I get on my investment, even if I only invest 100,000. Deal?
Right. No, Weddy man. That's not how we do business. First, we have to draw up a contract. Then after that, we exchange cash. That means we can have a paper trail.
Good grabs in mind. So how soon can you get it to me?
Okay, give me 3 working days. And locks, me leave me card them in the car again. You know what to do. Take me email address and send me your information like in full name and date of birth, and I'll get them to you as soon as possible.
Let's drink on it.
Oh, no problem.
Really a go on here, sir. Hello, Auntie Precious. Move inside.
So the prodigal son has returned.
Scarlett.
Beatrice! Your big Benny down here to you! What you say?
Who? Precious, who you say to? Oh, it's you.
Yes, mommy, it's me.
How you doing?
I'm okay now. How you doing?
Oh, couldn't be better.
Oh, okay then.
You see, I haven't felt this good in years. I've been working out with my friends, you know, going to the gym, and I go out with my friends as well. And
Hey, stop the foolishness, because you know you missed the boy.
you know, someone on the back for me though.
So, mommy, you really miss me?
Yes, Junior. I really miss you. Precious, you know, have something around at the stove up in the kitchen.
No.
Lord, man, go find some food, you know.
Alright.
So, mommy, I went by the house twice, you know. I didn't see nobody. What?
Well, yes. I'm spending some time by Precious, you know. Maybe I'll be back in a couple of weeks.
Oh, so you're gonna see you then? Cool.
So how your bachelor pad going?
Okay, you know. Just miss you and your home cooking, you know.
I miss you too, son. I never knew it would have hurt me so much when you move out. But I understand, you know? You need to stand on your own right now. You need a little space. Don't worry yourself, I go through the same thing with Mama, so I understand.
Glad you understand. But don't think I'm not going to come around come see you, know. I just sleeping somewhere else.
Okay, Junior. But you'll be coming for dinner and them things they do.
Not all the time, but you don't know. I come out for lunch and I use the studio. So I do about the place, man. Don't worry.
All right. Oh, I miss your son. Come here. Come here, my baby. Come here. Oh, before I forget, you know who keep calling the house for you? And she came by the other day.
Oh, who that, man?
We looking for a name again? Lisa.
Who that?
You don't remember Miss Jasmine, the last daughter? You know, the one where I studied for ton doctorate?
Oh, Lily.
No, I said Lisa.
All right, Mommy, Lisa.
That's better. So how is your new place?
Mommy, you wouldn't believe who my landlord is.
Who?
With the burn.
What?
We madder than, we better than, me say we madder than, the other hand. Alright then, lights, camera, action started. Run out of gas, try push no pocket. No problem, a Jamaican target. We get a couple million now we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me that buy your house a car. The girls them funny, but that's a if I probably I went or if you get lucky, it really all depends on me and me crew. We better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me. We are them other man. We are them other man.
Now my crew, we are come from far. Walk foot when I have no car. Been through many tribal wars, to the struggle and the pain and the fight and the scar.